How to create a sticker cutout on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily create a sticker cutout on your Snapchat. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you have opened it, all you have to do is take a picture of which you want to create a sticker cutout of. I'm just going to take a picture here. Once you take the picture, it's a little blurred out, but I'm just going to show you guys anyway. First thing you do is tap on this scissors icon, and it will help you create a sticker cutout. You could draw an ellipse, you could draw a rectangle. So I'm just going to go back, go to the scissors icon again. Let's just draw a rectangle here and select your area for sticker selection and then tap on done. Once you have done that, you've successfully created your sticker. Now you can use this on any of your chats. So tap on send to and send this to your contacts. So let me just go ahead and open this chat right here. What I'm going to do is tap on the stickers icon and then head over to stickers. Now click on the scissors icon to see your cutout stickers. And you will find your sticker right here. You can send it, and that's how you do it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.